Me, myself, and I. Let's keep it 1,000, man. You niggas living a lie. Middleman trying to play the plug, ain't making no profit. I'm calling your bluff, niggas. Stop it.
I'm back on my shit, nigga. Nah. No, having the back on my shit. This. I'm a Mary Jane abuser. No domestic violence. I roll up a plane and play the role of the pilot. You can try to play me, but the game's already won. I'm a dope head with the pistol, cause I shoot shit up for fun. Bitch, my flow hot and nasty like 69 summers. I raise hell like I marry Hellboy mama. From the land of the free with cheap talk, don't last. And with these shoes I paid for, I will freely kick your ass. Drunk driving on the roads of success, I keep swerving. You can't stop my shine with a million pair of curtains. Nah, I throw bullets like Vic, your dog's dying. Cause bullets create holes like offensive linemen. Damn, my flow nastier than eggnog. I keep my bitch by my side like a CNI dog. I am the star of the show. Nigga, get your tickets. It's NBM forever, and forever we the realest. Now it's up all night, money bags under my eyes. Check my girl pose, gotta make sure she alive. I was killing that pussy, she cool, light the blood up. I do it for the millions, talking Jay-Z numbers, man. I do it for the millions, do it to these bitches. I do it for the millions, do it to these bitches, man. I do it for the millions, do it to these bitches. I do it for the millions, I just do it to these bitches. What's up? Put 6 in your center like Tyson Chandler. I smoke so many niggas that my Glock caught cancer. Niggas better run if they are test me, cause this metal that I carry ain't bringing them world peace. Nah, feel me, fuck what you feel. There's cooler ways to die, but I'd rather die real. There's cooler ways to fly, but I'd rather fly still. There's cooler ways to think, but I'd rather think mills. And the nigga got limits like Master P. That's N.O. You see murder when I'm on the beat. I can shoot from close range and remain stainless. I talk money even if I use sign language. I am not for the games and the bullshit. You see me in T-Mobile, but then you niggas better sprint.
So after a long day of work, my day has come to an end. Of course, you see this beautiful Audi behind me. Customer has arrived to pick up their vehicle. It's delivery time. Y'all stay tuned. You ready?
Get me right.
Get
me right.
All right, it's game time. So how you feel about it?
Got me right.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about. Didn't even need the drill. Look at that. Fire. Pull it out.
So with that being said and done, another satisfied customer, man. I can't be more excited. Of course, if you want that done to your car, jump in my DMs on Instagram, DipGodBo. I can go ahead and get something booked. I'm about to go home, take a shower, and relax for the rest of my Saturday night. Probably have a drink, and I'm right back in the shop tomorrow. I'll holla.
As a youngin', I was fooled into living the American dream, and I took my ass to school. I never finished cause they drug tested for every job, and I refused to be some bait to the crackers holding that fishing rod.